What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. God damn. Boy Next Door Hollywood action MV. Yo, I think it's been a minute since I checked out Boy Next Door. I'm so excited. So without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Before I start, check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Link in the description. We're watching ISAC Idol Stars Athletics Championship. What? You got this. You got this, Keo. Good try. It's on my Patreon. Go check it out. And we checked out a bunch of dope stuff. And if anything gets blocked here and I can't upload it here, I put it on the Patreon for free. Most of the things are there for free, but there are some subscriptions. But yeah, just go click the link. All right, Boy Next Door. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Oh, off the bat. Oh, he a business. Take number 6. Whoa, oh, like a credit. Let's get money. Let's get famous. Ooh. Oh, shout out to the Thriller. Okay. Oh, it's focused on like movies. I see. Okay. Also, it's based off like the behind the scenes. Ooh. T-Rex playing guitar. Okay. Okay. Low voices. Whispers. Oh my God, that coffee going too crazy. Oh, he going in. Like behind the scenes of Hollywood, like production. That's dope. Action. Ooh, I like that bass right there. You guys nervous now? No. You guys faking now? Know what you're saying? Okay. Got that MJ kind of look. Literally going to get some aliens too. Oh. Okay, that transition is crazy. Don't try this at home, VX. Oh, literally everything in movie production. That's dope. I love that part. Streaming like a Thriller, doing the Thriller move. Okay, piano. Tastes like a drum bass. Kissed by the trumpet. Is that a real trumpet playing? Oh, what? Oh my God. Wait. Oh, that was the credits, huh? Oh, that's fire. That's actually cool. Let me see. Artist Boy Next Door. Like it's a news report, yeah? KOZ, that's right. But they're under a hype. Alright, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Boy Next Door Hollywood Action Official MV. What do you think of the song? What do you think of like the editing? What do you think of just everything? Just put your comments down below. Let me know. Alright, y'all. This is your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Alright, y'all. Bye-bye.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.